Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check software updates on your HISENSE TV. So first, go over to the settings. Now here, go to support right at the bottom, and you enter the settings with the left arrow on your TV. Go to support. Now we need to go over to system update, and here click on auto update, and here click check update. Now it will check automatically if you have the update. As you guys can see, I have the latest version, so I do not have to update anything. So this is how you guys can check it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.